Welcome to Tai Chi channel. I am Dr. Yui and I am a Tai Chi practitioner, and today I would like to introduce you how to play 24 form Tai Chi. The first step of 24 form Tai Chi is commencing form. The commencing form is also called the beginning form or a preparation form. So let's take a deep breath. You breathe in and then breathe out slightly. Breathe in and breathe out. And step out with your foot at the same width as the width. So let's take the breathing and lift up your hands and breathe out. And then follow your hand until your hands at the hip level. Your elbow is slightly bent and your wrist is natural position and relaxed. And now your hand at the level of your hip. And the next step is part of the wide horse man, left and right side. We will follow this direction. So this is very important part. First, you sit your weight on the right leg and then hold your ball like this. And the left toe is made to the right heel. Lift up your knee and then put your heel down and sit on to the bow stance. So left hand go up and right hand go down. Remember to keep your hand at level of your shoulder, your right hand at the hip level. So this is called left part of the white horseman. This drill will help you to move smoothly. Lift up your leg, extend knee, step toward. Remember to keep the distance between your foot at the same as shoulder width. It's very important to prevent you from falling down. So you're holding a ball position, one hand up and down like potting a horseman. So you have to remember to keep your upper trunk relaxed. I will demonstrate in this position for you. Then put heel down slightly, part the horseman. Now if you want to step forward, step back a bit, shift your weight on the left leg. And this position is called empty stance. Toe out, toe to heel. Put heel down a little bit if you want. Lift me up and put heel down gently. Step forward. Now this is called part of the white horseman. The next form is a wide crunch rested swings. Now you move toward a half step. Weight bearing on right leg and toe down. Make a circle with your hands. Right hand go up, left hand down. Lift up knee and put it back on your toes. This position looks like a wide crunch rested swing. Let's take a look at this direction. Okay, part of the white horseman. Now move toward a half step. Then right hand up, left hand down, weight bearing on right leg and toe down. Okay, so let's take a look at the lateral direction. Here you are in part of the white horse mat. Move toward half step, one hand up, one hand down, and toe down. We finished the first forms of 24 form Tai Chi. Now we will move to the next form. It includes 3 steps inside, and this form is called press me and 3 step. So we will move in this direction. Wide crank, spread his wings, press me and 3 step. Okay. And the second and the third steps look like this. Okay, breathe out. Okay, rotate your toe a little bit and step down. I'll guide you how to do it in the direct view, so that you can easily to observe the form and follow me. This is called the wide crank stretch wings. To change this from this form to press me and 3 step, you have to make 2 circles, the very big circle with right hand, and you have the same starting and ending point. Your hand points to the sky. From the starting point, make a big circle and then come back. You can practice this through. Okay, so again, back to the starting point. This will look like this, and then your hand gets to the ear and get ready to push out. We do it again, a big circle, and then hand to ear. And now we will learn how to move the left hand. So do it once more time. Now we'll coordinate it together. Wide crank stretch wing, rotate the left side and right side, hand to ear, and again. 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Remember to keep your hand at the ear before you go further. 1, 2, and 3. And lift me up, extend your knee, put heel down, and push hand out. Always remember to put your hand at the ear. Then slowly push out. Okay. Look at me at lateral view. We have just finished hand drill, and then we will learn how to make a leg drill after you finish your first press step. You are in this position, and now you lean back a little bit in empty stance. Now toe out by rotating your leg and step toward. Lift me up, boot heel down. Okay. And then push hand out. Always keep your hand at saddle level. Here you can see my hand is the saddle level and the right hand is hip level. And so you have to keep foot wide to maintain stability. The left foot is 45 degrees out, and here you can see it again. Now you will lean back a bit in the empty stance. Toe out by rotating your leg and step toward toe to ear, right hand to ear, now, and left hand to hip. Put heel down gently and push hand down. The last form of this section is playing the guitar. Breathe out. Okay, it looks like a man playing the guitar. So a step toward a half step with wide foot, and then lift up your knee and put heel down. It will look like this. We have just finished the 6 steps of the 24 form Tai Chi. I hope that you can do it by watching the video and follow my instruction, and we will see together in the next video.